This video, I'm about to show you the Razer Viper V3 Hyperspeed with Bluetooth on PC. The Razer Viper V3 Hyperspeed is a high-performance gaming mouse designed for precision and speed. It supports hyperspeed wireless technology for ultra-low latency and includes Bluetooth for versatile connectivity on a PC. This combination ensures smooth and seamless performance whether you're gaming or working. To use it on your PC with Bluetooth, start by enabling Bluetooth on your PC through the settings. Then turn on the mouse and switch it to Bluetooth mode. Next, initiate pairing by pressing the pairing button on the mouse until the indicator light starts flashing. On your PC, search for Bluetooth devices. Select the Razer Viper V3 Hyperspeed from the list and confirm the connections. Once connected, you can customize the mouse settings using the Razer Synapse software for optimal performance tailored to your preferences. The lightweight design, ergonomic shapes, and long battery life make it a fantastic option for gamers and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.